Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can share any YouTube video on Twitter. So suppose I want to share this video, so all I have to do is click on these three dots and then click on share and then go to copy link and then go to Twitter, click on this leave or the new tweet button and then just paste it and it will be shared. But in another way that you can do it is tap on the three button and then go to share and then tap on tweet. It will automatically be done, and all you have to do is suppose write something, hey guys, watch this YouTube video, and then tap on tweet. And then when you go back to your Twitter, to your account, you see that it is automatically shared. And this is how you can share any YouTube video to your Twitter account. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.